Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today we have the original Broombi. So let's open this box up and see what we get inside. Got the handle. And that's everything. So that's a quick Broombi. So that is your expandable handle. You just twist it to lock it in place. That is your plastic protective cover on that. And then we just screw that in here. And we're good to go. So let's start sweeping. Okay, so I got some stuff on the floor. It's automatically picking up the hair. So yeah, works pretty good. I like how it scoops up the hair as it goes. And works really good at getting pet hair off carpets. Okay,